Here's a new update from September 21st, 2012. The Dow 30-day 1-minute chart. The retracement in the past few days before this breakout appears to be a zigzag wave 2. And it's taken, the length of time it's taken is equivalent to what a wave 2 would take. So I wouldn't call this a 4 before 5 because it's just taken way too long. Plus we formed a zigzag. So if this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, again my target could be as high as 14,600, which would take out the all-time highs in the Dow in probably the next 3 or 4 weeks. But if this is, again, this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, it's a high degree of possibility. So I'm holding. For S&P, on the 10-day, 30-day 1-minute chart, we have the same thing too. This could be wave 1, zigzag wave 2 into wave 3. S&P though is lagging a little bit, so but we took at the top of the B, which sets up a retest of 0.786 around 1469, and I would consider getting into like maybe an ETF if we take out 1469 in the S&P. So that'd be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and break at 1474 that would set up a third wave, and the highest target half of that would be around 1580, 1590, and again that would take out the all-time highs in the S&P. And this is a very strong possibility that it happens. So I'm going to continue holding over at least the weekend. For Nasdaq, looks like wave 1, wave 2 zigzag into a wave 3, and we took out the top of the wave 1, which sets up the third wave. So we've already broken out in Nasdaq. The closer the highs are higher, that would set up a third wave, and the highest target have would be around I believe it was 3380 or 3400. Yeah, 3400 in Nasdaq. So we're all setting up for third waves across the board in the NDX, well, the S&P, Dow, and Nasdaq, and NDX is setting up too. The NDX is actually further ahead than all the rest of those indices right now. NDX is already broke out this morning, took out the top of the B and the top of the wave 1. So I really think that we're in a third wave, so I'll continue to hold. That's a wrap.